Hey, here we're asked to factor an expression, and it's actually a quadratic trinomial. It's a squared minus 12a plus 27, and I gave you 5 steps to handle factoring a quadratic. And the first step was to pull out any common terms that were there in the coefficients. So let's just first of all look at the coefficients. The first one here, there's nothing written in front. So the a is understood to be 1, the b is understood to be negative 12, and the c is understood, as you can see, to be 27. But there's no common factors between there. So there's nothing we can pull out in step 1. So we'll jump to a step 2, which is where we start trying to figure out how this thing factors. Remember, we want two numbers that multiply together to give us a times c, which in this case would be 27. But they also have to add up to be that b number, which is negative 12. So a little bit of work here. They have to be the same sign if they multiply to give you a positive. If they add up to give you a negative, then they both have to be negative. So we're looking for two negative numbers. It's actually going to be negative 3 and negative 9. Okay. So then once we have that, we'll jump to step 3, where we set up two independent factors here, and we'll start with the a term, a and a, one a in both places, and we'll have a minus 3, a minus 9. We drop our numbers in, and step 4 we'd pull anything out that we could. There's nothing we can pull out. In step 5 we'd put anything back in that came out in step 1, but nothing came out in step 1. So this thing factors into a minus 3 times a minus 9.